Today, we're making Thai Massaman Curry in 20 minutes. This recipe tastes just like getting takeout, but without paying a pretty penny. This recipe is straightforward and easy to make. Slice 2 large carrots. Slice 1 onion. Dice 1 russet potato. Thinly cut 1 or 2 chicken breasts. In an Instant Pot, set to saute, add some oil. We'll brown our chicken. Add our onion. Mix. And then add our chopped carrot and potato. We'll add about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 4 ounces of Massaman Curry paste, 28 ounces of coconut milk, juice 1 lime, and break apart 2 garlic cloves. For reference, we're using this brand of curry paste today. We'll put the lid on and allow to cook at high pressure for about 18 to 20 minutes. Look how good our curry looks. It smells just like Thai food takeout. Then we'll cook our jasmine rice. While we wait, we can sprinkle some peanuts into the curry as the finishing touch. Each serving will get some rice and some curry. This recipe is made mild, but if you'd like to kick it up a notch, feel free to add a couple Thai chili peppers as well. I've always loved Thai food takeout, and this recipe really just makes it so much easier to enjoy Thai food and save money at the same time. Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it goes down in the comments below.